The PlayStation Portal is primarily designed for streaming PS5 games via remote play. As of September 2025, it lacks native apps for services like Netflix or Disney Plus. Therefore, direct streaming isn't officially supported. While some users have explored unofficial methods like sideloading Android apps, these are risky and not recommended by Sony due to potential warranty issues and security concerns. The device excels as a gaming accessory, but it's not a standalone media streaming device. First, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use 5 GHz for low latency. Next, on your PS5, go to Settings, then System, then Remote Play, and enable it. Then, launch the PlayStation app on the portal and pair it with your PS5. Now you can access media apps like Netflix, Hulu, or YouTube installed on your PS5 and stream them to your portal. Remember, this method mirrors your PS5's screen. Future firmware updates may include media features, so stay up to date.